Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this little one is going to be about Lisboa. So this is Lisboa, this is Grand Lisboa, and they're right next to each other, and you can cross them by bridge. So, and then it's kind of, there's this really glassy spot right here too, so it's kind of interesting because you can see me walking for one, and you can kind of go all the way into the space like this, and I'll just kind of follow it all the way down. So yeah, now you can see a couple of me right there, and I guess that's what it looks like when I'm filming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around this building right here, the Grand Lisboa, and when you get up to the other side, there's always a lot of tourists everywhere, and they kind of linger around and hang out in the front. So I'm definitely going to capture that in a minute. So, okay, this is kind of a big bridge that goes across. This is a little elevator that goes up, or you can take the other way up as well. And in this space, there's always taxis, and they come right up to the front. So you have to be careful when you cross. It looks like they moved the taxi stand over there. It used to be in front of this place, which is probably going to spread them out a little bit more, but it's alright. And I think I'm going to go inside for a second. I have jumped inside here before, but I'll so if you're interested, you can definitely view those as well. So today what we're going to do is show you some of it that's inside, and this is the lobby. You can see all these artwork and chandeliers, mega high-end stuff. You can see me right there, and we're just going to keep on zooming out so we can see. I'm going to head back out in a minute, and we can see what's there. And back there is the casino. We come back and there's these big things like that. So we're just going to walk all the way up. Looks like they have some construction going on. These bring you to the international places. Okay, so we're just going to walk through here and we'll just see what we can see. So yeah, these buses are free, and they basically just take people to the immigration points, like ferry terminals, airports, things like that. And I'm just going to follow this around, and then I'm going to try to film this kind of stuff. You can see it from here. And at nighttime, it's all lit up. And usually when you're in this space, it's a lot of people just kind of hanging around, waiting for something. So now, that's the cool shot right there. There you go. And at nighttime it's all lit up, and I have birds kind of floating around there as well. So we're just gonna, actually that shot looks pretty good right there too. So yep. I'm just gonna show you all the way around in a circle like that. These are the buildings across from it. Just kind of go one, yeah, there you go. Little step right back there. So now you can see the whole ball effect, and then at the top there's the, and actually, I don't know if you can see them, but some of those go like this way. So some of the people that are up there will, hello. It's one of my students. You didn't see her, but one of my students walked by. So, okay. I look like a tourist. Okay, anyways, this is basically, like whenever I'm in this area, I feel like this is where all the mainlanders go, and they usually take their cameras out and film. So I've been here for 6-7 years, and now I'm filming here. So yeah, now you can see this way, the way it curves up. So some of these hotel rooms up there, they'll overlook, I don't know if they're hotel rooms or the edge of the hallways. But basically you can look down from that spot, so it's kind of interesting. So, okay. And then Grand Lisboa is right there, and right here is a big bus terminal. So we're going to walk down that way. And at nighttime, it's better to be showing us at nighttime. But but it's also interesting in the daytime too. Okay. And they're doing a lot of construction here today. There's another view. So we'll just keep this on and we'll just cross the street. There we go. The lighting isn't that great at this time of the day. Like if I was filming like in an hour from now, it'd probably be about perfect. Actually, that's right. That's good right there. Okay. And since I'm here, I'm going to show all these too. So these are kind of relics of another era, but there's still people that have them, and usually they're just sitting there. And if I see somebody in them, it's like, I guess maybe it's kind of quaint. So, okay. Yeah, that's all lit up at night, and that's all lit up at night. That's all lit up. Since I'm here, I might as well walk a little bit further. These are all taxis owned by Lisboa, I assume, Golden Group. So I'm going to walk into this big wide space that's coming up straight ahead. And if you go back in here, you can go inside the casino and there's some businesses, like some restaurants and places like that. What we're going to do is walk straight into this space. And I'm going to show you the lobby, and then we're going to walk. There it is right there. Okay. So there's a Lisboa in the daytime. It won't be long and it'll be lit up and it'll probably be quite spectacular to see at nighttime. But I definitely have those kind of videos too, so this isn't that particular one. So.